Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your screen timeout on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. You know how annoying it can be when you're using your phone and you put down your phone for a moment and your screen get locked, your screen timeout, you have to open it again. So this is how you can easily go ahead and change this. Swipe up and go to settings and tap on display. Scroll all the way down to where you find screen timeout, tap on that. For me, it is currently set to 30 seconds, which is perfect for me. You also have 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. So depending on how you want, you can easily go ahead and change it to a minute, 15 seconds, 2 minutes. It's up to you. But I find the sweet spot to be 30 seconds for me. And after 30 seconds, my screen will be timed out. Now you can also go ahead and choose the option that says keep screen on while viewing. So if you want that option as well, you can simply toggle it on. Very easy and very simple. Hope you find this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much and see you next time.